Ready? Analia. Hey. Oh! How was that, huh? Yeah, it wasn't bad. Hey. Analia. Oh! Is that alright?
Give her a chance, Daddy.
What is that? Something in there, isn't there? Ready? Ready? Oh! You latching onto the spoon? I'm gonna give you even less this time. Okay? Ready? I don't think you're getting any of it in you. Alright. There you go. There you go. Messy business, isn't it? Here you go, ready? You ready? Wow. You like it? You like it? It's a little bigger, ready? Here we go.
Oh, that might be. Is that too much? Say Daddy and his portion sizes.
Ready? Analia. Analia. Okay. That was pretty clean. Right in, right? No mess on that one.